What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back driving around America, and we are at a TA truck stop. And I don't know if you guys can hear it from my voice, or if you read the title of this video, we are not in a good situation right now. I'm a little depressed today. I don't know why. Nothing's been going my way. We are traveling in a brand new 2020 Western Star, and guess what? We are broken down. I got this brand new truck from my company. They were generous enough to give it to me and test it out, and I really love it. If you guys actually seen my other video, I already experienced some issues with it. I still love it. It is actually a really nice truck, really good sleeper. I'm already so used to it, and we have a very serious issue right now. I know that I am parked on a fire lane right here, but I actually just fueled up and I was heading in to grab a bite to eat, and I came back out and the truck will not start. So my first thing was like, okay, the starter jammed up. Like always, I am a slightly master mechanic, so I went ahead to the starter right there and I was banging on the cylinder, banging on it, went over there and tried to start it. Still no noise, no crank, no start, no nothing, just slight clicking of the relays, but that's a normal thing, so that's good. At least my key was working. So the next phase was going to be the batteries. Went ahead and talked to those TA people over there, and I scheduled an appointment. They came out here and they worked on it for about an hour. They put up a cute computer to it. No luck. So pretty much they got the truck to crank by hot wiring one of the wires, and then the motor started turning over, meaning the starter was good. There's my batteries right here. We actually disconnected all the batteries, tried to do a full reset, a hard reset. That didn't work. We tried to turn this breaker on and off. That didn't work, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I got my key turned on, I got power, I got everything, and right when I try to turn the key, I get nothing. He plugged up his computer and we are not getting communication to the engine control module. That tech could not help me, and we are waiting on some other technician to come in. He's coming in 10 minutes to figure this thing out. He's more better with computers and stuff like that. So I'm just praying to God that he fixes it, because the other thing that we have to do is towing this big rig with the trailer to the nearest Freightliner, because this is a Freightliner engine and transmission, just the body is Western Star. That's gonna take so long. It's gonna be at least until tomorrow. By the time they tow it today, I have to go with him. I have to go get a hotel, and then that's such a long process. I'm just praying to God that it is not that, and I just do not want to go through all this. This is a 2020 with less than 4,000 miles on it. Can you guys believe it? I've already had two major issues with it. One is, if you guys seen my two previous videos, coolant line burst and I had an emergency shutdown. Truck shut down on me in the middle of the road. That was pretty scary. And then we have this. Maybe my prayers have come true, because I got 6 technicians right now over there looking at the truck. They're like, what the heck, 2020 with 3,000 miles and it's no start. So they're pretty interested. We'll see. Maybe God can help me and fix this thing. Oh snap. Yeah, now it says battery voltage low, warning. What the heck? Oh man, I can't believe it. He actually got it started, but it's acting weird. Starting and then shutting off. He just manually grounds it. So it's definitely a wiring issue.
It's a wire issue. Yeah, I'd recommend it goes to the dealer like immediately. Let's let it run for a little bit.
Yeah, let it charge it up. All right, we ghetto rigged it and we're gonna drive it up to the shop and look at it some more. See if it starts. All right, that's a good sign. zero confidence that he actually gonna start the truck, but I was wrong. He actually got it started. It is actually a very big deal. There is a big electrical issue. Pretty much ECM wasn't reading, and he had to hotwire one of these lines or something. Some lines are smelted together or something. This thing got 3,000 miles. I don't know what's going on, Western Star, but you need to fix your trucks. You are made in America. It's not Cascadia. Cascadia is made in Mexico, and they, you know, some of their trucks are still but at least they don't have these kind of crazy issues. Come on, guys. He's calling tech support right now for Western Star, and he's actually gonna try to figure out this wiring for us. I'm just glad I didn't have to get this thing towed. He says he could ghetto rig it so we can drive to the dealer to get it fixed if he cannot fix it. Cross my fingers. Hopefully he fixes it, because I need to head back on the road. Bad news. We are getting this thing towed to the dealer. They could not figure out the wiring issue. We have no choice. Tow truck's on its way. This thing's going to the dealer. Sucks. It's only been 1 week and it's broken. Western Star, you disappointed me. That's our beast? Yep, 2020, 3K miles. All right, bye-bye, semi-truck. I'm just joking, I'm going in for the ride, guys. Oh, we're gonna have self-driving and everything. Woo! Now, this is just weird. I don't know. I'm kind of sad right now because my truck is broken, but this is kind of funny. I mean, the truck is so silent driving by itself. This is very rare right now. This is the new Tesla, guys. I'm telling you, Western Star is the new Tesla. Company gave me a hotel room. They treating me right. And I guess we're gonna go to sleep and we'll see if they fix the truck tomorrow. It's next morning, I got an Uber and yeah, you're looking at something interesting here, I know. And we are right outside the dealer and my truck is actually in there. They got it pulled in there. They still did not figure out what the problem is. It's already 10 o'clock. I went and picked up this Penske and yeah, guess what? This was the only truck they had left, a day cab. So they said, I'm just gonna go get my trailer, go meet up with somebody, swap out trailers and come back here and go back to my hotel room. But that's not the big issue here. The big issue is that it is 10-speed manual transmission. This is the laughter of a scared person. I haven't drove a manual transmission in about 2 years. When I did, I was not good at it. So I just drove 10 miles here to the dealership And let me tell you something, boys, I grinded some gears. Oh man, I got spoiled with that new truck, automatic, Jake brake, you just hauling butt. And this one, I just do not remember how to drive this thing. I know how to shift gears and all that. You just free float the gears, whatever, but that's not the big problem. I'm gonna be going through some crazy big mountains. I know that you need to downshift. You need to downshift, and then you need to do J-brake. And then on these old trucks, I think this is a 2014 or 15, to do engine brake, you click this or high engine brake. It's pretty sketchy. I'm gonna take it easy, take it slow. It's just, this has been the worst past 2 days of my life. You know, there's a first time for everything. Let's hook up to this trailer and I guess get going. Good news is I do not have to go to Flagstaff in the mountains with this thing. I am not risking my life. Flagstaff, if you guys do know, the 17 from Phoenix up to I-40 has some pretty crazy mountains. So I'm good. Company worked it out with me. They're working overtime right now because the truck broke down. I'm sucky at manual, so I don't want to risk my life in it. I have a guy coming out here and we're going to be swapping trucks and trailers, and I'm going to go and do some local deliveries, and then this guy's going to go up in the mountains and meet the other guy and swap and things like that. And then I'm going to take his truck and I'm going to go back to Ontario. Maybe next day or so they're going to fix that truck. We're actually going to go over there and talk to them real quick. Well, the tech that was looking into my truck is out for lunch, so I don't have time to look for him or wait around. We're gonna go ahead, take this truck, because the guy that I'm swapping with actually just called me. We're gonna be meeting somewhere else. It's about 4 miles down the road, and it's where he has to be offloading. This is gonna be my first time driving manual in 2 years fully loaded, so we'll see how this goes. I mean, it's definitely fun, you know, grinding some gears, switching gears here and there, but definitely automatic is the way to go. I don't know how all these gear bangers and they just love this stick. I mean, I understand why though. When you're used to something for so long, you know, you start liking it. But I mean, I don't mind manual. It's just like, I'm just not really good at it, so. Wasn't 4 miles. I thought it was so short. It was like 20 miles away by the time I googled it. Yeah, we're here. The stick has been treating me pretty decent actually. I'm getting back to used to it. It is like riding a bike, so, but whatever. I'm gonna be trading this thing in for an automatic. Oh yeah, there comes my truck. I got a Volvo 760. Not bad, not bad. Oh wait, it's still a Penske Volvo though. Well, there's my Volvo. It is a 2019 with 240,000 miles. She's a very beautiful truck. I like it. It's just somebody didn't take care of it, and it's a Penske. I think they just use this truck as a runaround, dropping stuff here and there for locals or regionals. It's okay. It's a decent truck for sure. And then let's get back to this day cab right there. Engine brake does not work on it, so this guy's kind of tripping about that because he has to go through that Highway 17 through Flagstaff, and the mountains there are pretty crazy. He's kind of worried about that, and that's what I was worried about. I'm not that good at stick shift, and then the emergency engine brake does not work, so pretty sketchy. Yeah, we're gonna get reloaded, and then we're going to head out to California. got to the warehouse and we're about to disconnect. They already got me a hotel room for tonight because this is somebody else's truck. They're gonna be picking it up later. So I'm not really sure what's going on from here, guys. Rest in peace, my Western Star. I don't know what else to do about it except, you know, probably mourn it for a little bit, because electrical issue like that from a dealer, they're gonna take weeks to figure it out. This Volvo, I actually really miss driving the Volvos. Not this one because it's kind of dirty inside. The steering on these trucks are way better than like the Freightliners. I don't know why. It's like some sort of special steering. It just keeps it nice and smooth and straight on the road. Not too much counter steering. I mean, the Volvo, just the drivetrain, the suspension, everything is just one of the best ones, I believe. You know, the styling inside isn't that great, but styling outside and just the ride quality is way better. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. We've been through a lot these past couple days. This has been the worst couple days of my driving career here, and this is just the way it is. My company tried really hard to satisfy me, you know, got me a new truck, and it is what it is. Western Star messed up. Hopefully it doesn't get you too much bad cred right here, Western Star, but you just need to fix your trucks, okay? Because this is not the first time we had an issue with one of them trucks. My company did buy 3 of them, and 2 of them are already in the shop, brand new, and they're still in the shop. So we'll see what happens, guys. Maybe you know, the dealer resurrects the Western Star and we'll get back in it. We'll see in the next couple videos, maybe, if it comes out. If not, then that's probably where I'm gonna end this story. Maybe next time, guys. Keep up with all my vlogs or videos, whatever this is, and stay tuned with all my projects going on. And I appreciate it, guys, for watching. Deuces.